Most Californians use as much water on their lawns as their entire family uses inside the house. Converting your lawn to a water-smart yard can save more water than any other way to conserve. The easiest and least costly way to change your lawn is called sheet mulching. All you need is enough cardboard boxes to cover your entire lawn. You will also need enough wood chip mulch to cover the boxes. Most communities have free wood chip delivery by Arbor companies. Once you finish the process, wait 3 to 6 months before planting new plants to let the cardboard and lawn break down into mulch and soil. You can sheet mulch any time of year. Summer is a great time to sheet mulch because you won't have to water for months. Come fall, you can plant when the air is cooler and the ground is still warm. Now let's get started. Step 1. Mow your grass very short. Step 2. Dig a small trench 6 to 8 inches wide along the edge of the lawn. This allows the wood chips to lay level with the pavement instead of spilling off the lawn area. It's okay to leave the dirt you dig up on the lawn. It will help the lawn break down. Step 3. If you have a sprinkler system, mark all sprinkler heads with a flag to identify where they are. Step 4. Spread soil or compost across some of the lawn. This adds organic matter to help the lawn break down when it's buried under the cardboard and wood chips. Step 5. Lay a layer of cardboard across the entire lawn or portion of the lawn you want to convert. Step 6. Use a hose once to spray down the cardboard on the lawn. This will help the cardboard break down once it's covered. Step 7. Contact a local Arbor company to get free wood chips delivered. The Arbor company can dump an entire truck full of chips and branches for your new yard. Step 8. Spread the wood chips to cover all of the cardboard. You want 3 to 6 inches of wood chips on top of the cardboard to make sure it breaks down. Step 9. Wait at least 6 months before planting. By then, the cardboard and lawn should be broken down into plantable soil. Step 10. Now it's time to plan and plant your dream garden. Get more tips on designing your water-smart yard with California native plants and other low-water plants at saveourwater.com.